Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the effects quality settings in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by pressing the escape button or the menu key on the controller. This will take you into the main menu. From here select Options. In Options, make sure you are in the Video tab and Scalability section. Right here, scroll down and look for the Effects section. Right here you can change the post effects quality, particles quality and water quality. Post effects, as the tooltip suggests, means the overall quality of post-processing shader effects, with a note that the game restart is needed to apply the changes. You can open this drop-down menu or simply go through the options with those arrows. I will select High from the list. Next is Particles Quality. Here, just like before, you can click to open the drop-down list and select your preset, or you can scroll through them using those arrows. This is better if you want to check out how the differences are presented, as you can see on the image right here. Let me pick Ultra High. And the last is Water Quality. Here you can choose from the drop-down menu. You can pick either ultra low, very low, low, medium, high or very high. The same goes for swapping between different images. Let me select very high. As you can see, after I made my changes, now I can hit apply. This isn't grayed out anymore. And note, the game restart is needed to apply the changes. Now you want to hit restart now. This will close the game and restart it. You will be loaded right back into the game with those changes applied. For the sake of the video, I will discard the changes. Once you are done, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.